Alright, you guys, today's tutorial is going to be a little bit of the reverse of the knockout text tutorial. It's going to be using a certain amount of text to create an image mask in InDesign. So we want to make sure that our text also remains live and editable, and this will be another way of getting that result. So the first thing that we're going to do is create a text box. And this text box needs to be bigger than what your image will become. So when we put in our image, it's going to be a little bit bigger than that. And let me just write something in it. I'll put fresh. And let's make this into another one of those kind of impact-y fonts. Here we go. Perfect. And the first thing you'll do is make your text box white. So we'll go for, in this case, paper. Will look the same here, but of course if you use paper, it's going to be the coloring of your paper. So watch out. This is going to be good for my tutorial's sake, but again, paper is going to show the actual paper color that you print on. So if you print on yellow, it's going to be yellow. If you print on orange, it's going to be orange. It will not be white. So if you need white, you'll have to make your own swatch. Enjoy. But that's what I did. I made this kind of a white, at least for InDesign white. And I'm going to go ahead and select my text. And I'm going to change my text to registration. Registration is going to give me a certain effect where there's like no coloring applied to my text. Let me go ahead and bring in my image. This is, oops. I'm going to make sure my image is smaller than my text box. Okay, so that looks about right. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure that this guy is underneath. Let me do it by layers this time. I'm going to just drag my image underneath the word fresh and then put him right underneath like so. Let me just see if I can bring that a little bit down. Let me get my layer. I want to make sure that I'm on this fresh layer. Let me actually make this text a little bit smaller, and I'm going to center it. Just for show. Box is actually bigger than this. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is, now that I have my text box live and selected, I'm going to change the effects here to lighten. And now you can see that I can see through my strawberry layer. So it's using the box as, or the text box, using that registration coloring to the text. And see how like I can just keep typing, makes it nice editable text for me, and you can get a kind of a cool effect out of this. So that is how you make a mask out of some text. All right, you have a great day.